Hey guys, Chung Dha here. We are now at the Z CAM booth at BIRTV 2019. We have here the Z CAM E2C, which is like the small little brother of the Z CAM E2. This of course is like really nicely priced at $799 US. It looks actually quite smaller in height, and on the side we have a SD card instead of the CFast. Of course, this does not have like the high FPS like the bigger brother, the E2, and it does have the micro four thirds sensor, and they are thinking maybe adding RAW to it, but this is quite a nice like B cam because it does 4K 30 frames per second. So it really depends on like if you want to have this next to your E2, or maybe this is your starting cinema camera that you start up with the E2C and later on grow up to the bigger cameras. And this looks actually like a nice small package. It actually, like, if you don't really need to have like the high FPS of the E2, you can go for this. It looks really nice and compact. It has like all the same button placement I can see. On the back, of course, we have less ports, but yeah, this is of course much more affordable if you are just starting up. So, or of course using this as a B cam. And yeah, the color space, of course, they should match quite easily. So yeah, this is a quite interesting small camera that you guys can look at. We are now at the Portkeys booth at BIRTV 2019. We are here next to a Z CAM E2C with the BM5 from Portkeys with the whole Nitze cage around it. So something interesting is that I can confirm that the BM5 actually works with the E2C. You can fully control it, all of the buttons, and go through the menu and everything else. And also what is quite interesting is you can use a dummy battery to power your E2C from the from the BM5. There is like a port out, so you can connect it with a dummy or a DC coupler to power E2C, so you don't have like a V-mount or a big setup behind it, and keep your setup actually much smaller. Yeah, it's really nice and cool that you, and also if you have a power zoom lens on your E2C, you can even control the zoom from the monitor. We can go here and I can zoom in and out. So very cool. You can control the zoom from the monitor. So quite a lot of features and functions. Most of you guys that already know about the BM5 with the E2, so now you can also use it in combination with the E2C. So that was it here from the Nitze, or from the Portkeys Nitze Booth in BIRTV. And if you have any questions, please comment below. And if you are new to this channel and want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below, and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.